Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove background in Affinity by Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go ahead and open Affinity. Once it's open, click on File, then select Open and choose the photo you want to remove the background from. For this example, just select any image you'd like to work with. After opening the photo, make sure the image layer is selected. Then go to the Pixels Studio panel. From there, click on Document and then select Setup. Inside the Document Setup options, make sure the Transparent option is turned on. Now, for example, if you see there is white background here. If I go to Document, then go to Setup, and here select Transparent, once you enable transparency, you'll notice that the background becomes transparent instead of solid. This means your image no longer has a background and is ready to be used however you like. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove background in Affinity by Canva. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.